This is Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category, onwards tap at the Manage Your Google Account button below the, Google account itself, then, open Data and Privacy section, scroll it all the way down, and go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Now, in order to continue, we will need to input the child's Google account password, so let me quickly do that off the screen, of course. And then simply finish the account deletion. Once the account gets successfully erased or deleted, the parental controls should turn themselves off automatically as well. So let's quickly check that. Yep, as you can see, there is no longer any Google account over here, and if I will open the list of parental controls, there will be none. So last thing that I want to show how you can do is how to recover the Google account we have just deleted so it will not be lost. So the procedure is as simple as signing into Google app or service with it. Any Google app will do. I usually use the Play Store. So input the email address of the deleted account. Then you should see the following message. After this message appears, enter the account password to proceed with the sign in. And more often than not, you will get the something went wrong message. That is completely fine. Just re-enter your credentials. And usually the second time it allows you to go through. So let's quickly input all our credentials once again. And by the fact that, the account is active and we can sign in with it, you can already tell that it has been successfully restored. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.